Welcome to my Relish Stories. Today in my kitchen, I'm making some saffron raisin scones, inspired by Swedish Lucy Cutter saffron buns, which my kids love. And like every bun, they do need time to rise. But if you don't have time and want to experience these flavors as soon as possible, I think scones work very well. So let's make them together. Mix half pinch of saffron with 200 ml of lukewarm milk. Mix and set aside. 1 cup of all-purpose plain flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and 1 pinch of salt, 25 grams of softened butter, and 1/4 cup of raisins. Rub butter into mixture until a crumbly mixture is obtained. This recipe works perfect for breakfast and any tea time. If you like this recipe and want to see more recipes like this, don't forget to subscribe my Relish Stories.